Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can cancel your Whoop membership. So, please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So, this will help you to stop your subscription safely and avoid future charges. So, first, of course, you have to make sure that you have your Whoop app on your phone, and then once you're on your phone, you will just have to tap the profile icon, which you can find on the top right corner of your screen on your mobile phone. And then you will click account settings or tap it. Then you will scroll down and you will select membership or billing. Then you will tap manage subscriptions and you will see the option cancel membership and tap it. And that's basically just it. And then you will follow the on-screen steps to confirm the cancellation. Then you will receive an email confirming your membership has ended. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.